Sir? Sir, tumawag po si Miss Sally. Tinatanong daw po ni Miss Via kung kailan daw siya makokontak.
Hindi ako pwedeng ma-involve sa kanya ngayon.
Totoo po bang...
Who knows? Maybe she did. Maybe she didn't. It's not new na may mga taong pumapatay dahil sa pera. But that is not my problem. My problem is I could lose billions because of this scandal.
So, sasabihin ko po kay...
Tell her that I'm busy or tell her nothing at all. Wala akong pakialam. Andrea, ako ba nagagawa ng trabaho mo para sa'yo?
Okay po, sir.
Hoy! Bumangon ka nga dyan! Alis! Miss?
Stop the act, Ria! Pinakasalan mo si Daddy para sa pera niya. And that's the truth. You married him. And then you killed him.
Han, I'm so sorry. Ay, naku, ang dami-dami kong meetings. Lalo na sa finance. Hindi mo pa iniinom tong mga pills mo. Ano yan? Ramon, ano ba? Alam mo naman bawal sa'yo to.
Gusto mo ba akong mamatay, Via?
What? Saan galing yan?
Alam ko nakita kayo ni Martin. Are you just waiting for me to die para magsama kayo?
Of course not.
I'm still breathing, Via. You're trying to replace me.
Of course not. That's not what you think. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Hindi ko sinabi sa'yo. I just needed to tell him to stay away from me. Natigilan niya na ako. Ramon, ikaw ang mahal ko. I love you. Ayoko lang makadagdag pa ng stress at yung mga iisipin mo.
Promise me you'll never leave me. You will stay with me forever. I love you.
I won't. I'm not gonna leave you. Kaya, kailangan tumagal yung marriage natin na matagal. Kaya inumin mo na tong mga gamot mo.
Okay.
What?
I want that one. My scotch.
To? No.